this bathroom's gotta go.
Check out the lovely paintings. We have butterfly tile on this side. Here we have this beautifully made vanity, and my favorite, this drawer that's good for holding absolutely nothing. Down here we have our beautiful lino flooring that was probably in your grandma's house at some point. And on this side we have our vintage mirror vanity thing, complete with rust and light fixtures.
So it's officially been 1 year since moving into this place, and we've renovated this place top to bottom. Well, almost all of it, because obviously there's this bathroom. And I guess we still have to do the basement and the garage. It never ends, but we're really close. If you want to see the whole home tour and all the work that we've done so far, I'll put a link in the description below so that you can check that one out afterwards. So we've enlisted some help for the weekend. Aren't you excited to be back doing renovations?
I'm rolling my eyes now.
Well, demolition is done. We're 3 hours into the reno so far, so we're making pretty good time. Curtis Hawkins is the painting master here. He is the paint rolling extraordinaire as taught by the one and only Carolyn Brown.
AKA Chelsea's mom.
We've gone with the same white that we're using throughout the house. I love a clean white interior. You probably can't talk me out of it. I love that you can put almost anything into it, and if you get tired of it, you can change out the decor elements and change out your colors that way without having to repaint much.
I just wanted to pause this video right here just to thank the sponsor of this week's video, which is Cuts Clothing. Now, I've been working with Cuts Clothing now for about the past year, if not more. So if that doesn't say how much I love Cuts Clothing right then, I don't know what does. I've been wearing their tees for that long, and I have to admit, they are the nicest tees out there, or else I wouldn't be working with them to begin with, or keep this relationship going for this long. But as of the last couple months, Cuts is not just a t-shirt company anymore. They've also come out with hoodies, crews like the one I'm wearing right now. They've come out with outerwear, joggers, even sweatpants. I can't wait to see what else they come out with, and I can truly say that they're starting to become a full clothing brand and not just a t-shirt company, and I can't wait to see what else they come out with. But if you guys are looking for some of the best apparel that I can find, or you have that special someone that you're looking for a gift for that last minute Christmas gift, I'll leave a link down in the description below to 15% off your next Cuts purchase. Thank you guys so much. Back to the video. Okay, so after 3 coats of paint to finally cover up the butterflies, we finally moved on to flooring. Now we're just doing vinyl plank flooring, which looks like this. I really wanted to learn how to tile in here, but Chelsea said it was too expensive. And we already had a box left over of this from the other bathroom, so we're gonna make the match. Before we did all the renovations up here, there were 5 different types of flooring up here, so I can't complain that we're keeping it all consistent.
So we've skipped ahead just a little bit here. We finished installing our vanity. This is probably actually like one of the biggest transformations in this space, is putting this new vanity in. We went with the Godmorgan model from IKEA. They're the same as what we have in our ensuite. These ones we just went with the wood finish. The biggest part why we've chosen the IKEA ones is because it's a comparable quality from what we saw from places like Home Depot, but a fraction of the price. You can use your own taps and faucets in them, but you have to use the IKEA plumbing, and that would be like my only caution against them. They have been a pain to install every single time that we've done them, but with a few little of our own modifications, we've seemed to manage to figure it out. The other reason why I love the Godmorgan vanities is because there's a huge aftermarket for these vanity models in particular. You can get new faces for them, you can get new side panels, all sorts of hardware and accessories. So if you decide you want to change it out later, it's really simple to do so. Kona loves to drink from the tap, but sometimes she also just likes to play in the water. So now I've got it so that just one drop is coming out slowly, and she's just sitting here watching it Don't mind the splatter on the mirror. Kona's just having a lot of fun in the water. We got this mirror from IKEA. It's just a plain black round mirror. And these light fixtures are from Amazon. They're the exact same light fixtures that we've used in the coffee bar and in our ensuite. I love them. They're reasonably priced. I think that they look modern. I like the light that they give off. They're actually a personal favorite. We'll put links to everything that we use in the description. And we just gotta finish painting up these baseboards and then we're ready for the cinematic tour.
So there it is. The bathroom's done, and I think it turned out pretty well.
Pretty well. I think it turned out fantastic.
What I'm most excited for is that it cost us less than our budget, which was $1,500, and I think we were well below that. Honestly, I think we were closer to $1,000, which is sweet because we didn't really have to blow out any walls or do anything major.
No.
It was just a lot of paint and a lot of flooring. Again, the hardest part was definitely the plumbing, so thank God Chelsea's dad was here helping us out for that. If it wasn't for him, I'd probably still be under there trying to figure it out. So big thanks to Chelsea's dad. But if you guys are watching this and you're thinking that you want to reno your bathroom, you're like, man, my bathroom sure needs a reno. Just go on YouTube, figure out anything that you don't know already. There's so much information out there, you can definitely do it. If you guys like this video and want to see more, be sure to hit that subscribe button so we can see you guys next week. We do lots of weekly vlogs, we do travel videos, and we do some videos with our Bengal cat Kona, which I'm sure you guys know.
See you in the next one, guys.
Bye.
Bye.